In the Magit, don't confuse, it is in Mag, the coverage is 1985. But in the Mag in full text, we are taking the coverage from 2000 onwards. Database accessible, of course, free of cost. This is the website, and this is your official website of our center. Now, out of these journals, full text links are provided at the articles level for those journals who have signed the MOU with NIC. We have developed the Madin database after signing the MOU with the journals. Those journals editors who are ready to put their journal, full text journal, we have signed the MOU, and only those journals are covered in the Madin. InMed articles also made searchable through various search engines such as Google. Everything will be explained by Sukhdev in detail. And what was the criteria of selection of journals in the InMed? First was the journal should be peer-reviewed. Journal should be published on time. Third point is journal should be published at least twice in a year. Most of them are quarterly or monthly also, but journal should have started at least 3 years prior to selection. And the preference is given to the Medline. And yeah, you are given the wrong. नया सही नहीं डाला मेरा.
नया वाला
नहीं, इससे पुराना. Of the InMed database, simply you give the keyword and it will search. These are the small screenshots. You can search advanced search also in the InMed database, but the whole page has changed. And there is another way, you can search by the journal also. List of the journals are there, you can select the journal and do the search. And if you search, this is the way the records are displayed. First, it will give you the title, author, etc. And if you select, like format is there, here I have selected the citation. That's why it's giving only the title and author and the name of the journal. But if you put it here abstract, it will display the abstract. This is the way, citation plus abstract, it will give you the abstract. This is the full record, it will give the keywords also, which we have put on the side. And this is the complete list of the InMed journals which are covered in our database. Some of them are regular, like status we have given, some are suspended, some are renamed, so all the status is there about all the journals. Everything you can get on the web page. And this is the complete also. If you go to the journal detail, it will tell you from where it is published, who is the editor, what's the address, what are the issues are covered, all these things you can get it. And of course, we want your cooperation for the updation of it. Whenever there is a change in the editorial boards, whatever the change, please send us the email so that we can keep the data updated. And this is the Magint. Okay, this is the Madint. Madint is the full text. Out of the journals which are covered in the InMed, 41 journals, they have signed the MOU with us and we are providing the full text. These are the list of the journals. If you go to madin.nic.in, you can see the list of the journal. Just click on any journal. Now, what is the objectives of the Madint? To develop a one-point resource of full text Indian biomedical literature. Include the full text of journals covered in InMed. Also include full text of Indian journals covered in PubMed. Retrospective coverage is from 2000 onwards. InMed is from 1985, Madin is from 2000. Okay, no commercial site, it is a free access. The site was launched in August 2003. And the coverage 2000 is a simple web interface for viewing and downloading the full text of articles, free web hosting of the journals. Right? As I told you, MO with editors, MO was signed with 41 journal editors. Recently we have signed with the Health and Population NIHWF. Previously it was 40. It is a collaborative project between the editors, NIC and ICMR. No transaction fees will be payable to either party for providing the content to NIC or because it's a government organization, so there is no picture of money comes. Copyright of the data would remain with the respective readers. NIC would provide only the access to the data to the users. Right? And the MOU, it is on the website, you can sign it and send to us. Like in Medint, what happened, previously we received the copy either in the PD soft copy. At present, maximum of the journals, they are sending the soft copy in the PDF format. In that case, it's simple, we get the soft copy, PDF format, we upload it. But there are some journals, they don't have a PDF form. In that case, we request them to send the hard copy. We just scan them, we digitize them, scan OCR, PDF conversion and put it into the website. So in case for the back issue, you are unable to provide us the PDF because in the last of this day, I will provide you some of the issues are missing, like 2001, 2000T of one of your journals. So in case you are unable to provide us the PDF or CD, please give us the print version. We will digitize it. We will scan, make the PDF and put on the website. So don't feel of that if you are not, in case in any reason you are unable to provide the PDF, give us the print version. You are most welcome. And each journal has an individual web page. If you go to the medin.nic. Each journal has its own page. It gives the information about the journal, introduction by the editor, editorial board which keeps on changing, whatever the available issues which are put on the site, and the contacts of your editor and where whom to contact. This is the, like I have selected Indian Journal of Anesthesia, one journal. This is the home page of that particular journal, which you can access from Medin. And it will gives about the journal, like you can get all the information, what president, who is this, whatever is there. And this is the editorial board, right? And this is the complete list of the journals which are available of your journal. So you can see your journal and know, right? This much I want to talk. It's a basically introduction of InMed and Medin.
When we send a hard copy also to you.
Yeah.
And the soft copy will be we send online to your email ID.
Yeah, sure.
And should you require also a CD of the complete journal?
No. In case you send the email, nothing is required.
That's required.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any question?
Whatever full text you showed a list of issues.
Yeah.
So one person has to go to that particular issue and then search whatever is
No.
required.
Like,
or he can,
yeah,
just
list of
put the
issues is
title,
there.
Author
Yeah.
and that type of.
Yeah, I
is
just show
possible.
you. Yeah. Pawan? Med.intensive. Because in that case, just click the issue, it will display the content page. And you can click the article, it will.
But if I know a particular article, so I can put it in that search and just.
In the
Medin.
Medin. Yes. नहीं, in that case, full text में नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है.
ऐसा नहीं
नहीं
है,
है,
that's
ऐसा
what I
नहीं.
want
हाँ.
to do.
That InMed में you can do it, not in the full text.
Okay, but from there we get.
Yeah,
the
from the
journal
InMed,
issue
if
and
article
we
is
go to
there,
Medin.
yes, link is there of Midnight, then you can go to that.
Go there and-
Yeah. Searching facilities in InMed.
Okay.
Any other question?
So both of them are very closely interlinked.
Yeah, this are.
Yeah, actually,
Why did you create?
let me tell you.
That
this,
bibliographic and full text.
no, actually, the story goes this way.
Why not combine?
We are actually, we are on that migration part, but we cannot, go and do. When you put sites online, you have to be very careful. Okay, once it is there, okay, people have links and all those things are there, then we don't want to disturb them. Okay, anyway, the story goes this way. Earlier we were just doing the indexing. Okay, we were not actually providing the full text and all this. Okay. Our purpose was to